What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're gonna feed Tukes. Here you go, Tukes. Nanas. Oh, dude, you're gonna bite my finger, aren't you? Here, just eat your food. All right, guys. So today in this video, we're gonna talk about what you guys can do in bringing DeFi into real life. So a couple of people have been asking me about real estate. Real estate is what I do. So I'm just gonna explain to you guys a couple of strategies that you guys can implement and use. First off, yes, just like in DeFi, you can borrow, lend, etc., do all that fun stuff. But anyways, guys, before we get into that, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. If you guys leave a comment below saying you subscribed, you'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. All right, guys. So first off, this is how you can bring DeFi into real life. So rental properties. If you guys have enough cash, you can buy a rental property and you can rent it out to people. If you guys don't have enough cash, that's okay. There's a different option for that involved, and this is how you do it. There's a thing called Airbnb, guys. If you cannot afford to buy a house, that's fine. If you are already renting a room, not renting a room, but renting a house, then you can sub it out. You can rent out one of your rooms. It's the same exact concept. So let me give this illustration to you. So say, for example, you are renting a house for $1,000 a month and you have 3 rooms in that house. Well, there's only one of you. You can have 2 rooms or 1 room and you can rent out the other one to someone else. So once you rent that other one out to someone else, well, you're going to be pocketing the spread. So say it's $1,000, you have 3 bedrooms, you can pay your $1,000 and you rent out the other 2 rooms for $600 a pop. Well, now you're living rent-free, and now you're getting paid $200 for renting that house. And now you can take that concept even further. You can rent multiple houses, and you can rent out the rooms there. Guys, the options are limitless. I mean, it's just like, dude, you have a canvas, go paint on it, go create something. I mean, guys, it's all about being an entrepreneur or solving problems and giving a solution. All right, so guys, we're on the lake. This is the best part. I had to show you guys feeding them fish. Dude, see those bass? That bass is massive. Anyways, guys, you can bring DeFi into real life. If you guys can't afford a house, that's fine. You don't have to buy a house. You can just get a rental. You can do an Airbnb. I mean, there's so many different options that you guys can do. It's just the concept of being an entrepreneur and buying it for low, selling it for higher, or renting it for lower and renting it out for higher. Another example, if you guys want to even get into lease options, I did a video on this as well earlier, is you can get a little more complex with the strategies. Say you have a rent-to-own deal going on. What you guys can do with a rent-to-own is you can find someone who will allow you to purchase the property, or you can find someone who's struggling to make payments and they're like, look, I just need someone to make the payments. I want to get done with it. That's the perfect candidate you're looking for. You can try to get a house for 0 down and you say, look, bro, I'll take over your payments. You have a $1,200 mortgage payment per month. Don't worry about it, bro. I'll take care of it. Let me take it over. And you get a contract involved, basically saying, look, you will be paying his rental payments per month. And if you can't afford them, well, you default, and what's the loss? It's not going to hurt your credit at all. I mean, it's to the dude's benefit. If you're paying it off, if you don't, that's okay. There's still an option where, okay, someone else can come into play. But if you take the concept of doing a lease option, you can get this house down for 0 down. You're basically just paying his mortgage payments. If you can get it for 0 down, there are other options where you'd have to pay more down. Say you have to pay $5,000 down. That's fine. You can even do that too. But you can put a clause in there like, hey, give me 45 days or 60 days. And then you go look for someone else who will give you $10,000 down and pay you $1,600 a month. So now you pay that guy his $5,000 deposit, his $1,200 a month, and you get the other $5,000 deposit. You keep it in your pocket. These are non-refundable option deposits. So like if they don't close at the end of the term, that option deposit is non-refundable. If they do end up closing, then it goes towards the purchase price. That's somewhat how a lease option works. So that will involve not a lot more money, but that'll involve more contracts and more strategies, but it's more lucrative and you can do it with 0 money. I mean, it's amazing. It's similar to like the DeFi concept, but with DeFi, it's easier. You have clicks of a button and It's a lot of fun because it's gamified and you don't have to meet people, you don't have to talk to people, you don't have to advertise for it. Yes, there are more things involved when you're doing a rental or when you're doing a lease option, but it's worth it, especially when you have the diversification, because crypto, those rates that you guys see, those are not always going to be there. I mean, especially right now, the reason why they're so good right now is because a lot of people aren't in DeFi right now. We're still early, so if you guys are watching these videos, you guys are early to these protocols. And the more and more people get in, I shouldn't even be making these videos, but I understand crypto is about teaching other people about adoption. But the more people get in, the lower the rates are. So if you guys saw some of my earlier videos, I was able to farm like 1,000 Matic in 1 month. I mean, dude, it was just free. It was like, it wasn't even with a lot of money, because Matic tokens were like 3 cents at that time. But now they're worth like $1.50, or went as high as like 2 something too. But anyways, guys, you guys get the point. You guys get the concept. I'll start doing some more detailed videos on real estate if you guys want me to. Just leave a link or leave a comment in the description below saying, yeah, do some more real estate videos. If you guys just like crypto videos, that's fine. I'll just do crypto videos as well. I like both of them. I like both subjects. I do like cooking too, but I'm sure you guys would be bored with cooking. I tried a cooking channel, but it didn't work out so hot. It's hard to get viewers for cooking channels, man, because everyone's cooking, man, everyone. And it was hard to record them. I hated it and wasn't as fun recording them, but I love doing these crypto videos because I like being able to teach other people about cryptocurrency. And the comments you guys leave, I really appreciate them, man. I really appreciate all the subscribers as well, guys. I wouldn't be here without you guys. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for hitting that bell notification. Make sure you guys do all 3 of those things if you haven't already, and you will automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC at the end of each month. And we'll leave you guys with the wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 25 verses 16. If you find honey, eat just enough. Too much of it and you will vomit. That's so true, man. Especially, I know you guys have been there when you've been starving, so hungry, and you go to like a buffet or something and grub it up, and it's just like, oh snap, I'm full. Thanks for tuning in, guys. By the way, dogs, if you guys want to check me on TikTok, you guys can check me out on TikTok. I do daily wisdom one-liners there as well. I'll put a TikTok handle in the link in the description below. I think that's what it's called. That video. All right, guys, if you guys want to get some free BTC, here is the quadruple threat. Guys, there's a link in the description below. You can sign up for Celsius. You get $40 in free BTC. I get $40 in free BTC. It is a win-win. And if you enter in any of these codes, this is for a limited time, you will get an additional bonus of BTC, guys. You cannot beat that. The next in the quadruple threat is Voyager. Guys, when you sign up for Voyager, deposit $100, you will get $25 in free BTC. Need I say more? Probably not. The next one is BlockFi. This is also in the link in the description below. Deposit $100 and you also get $25 in free BTC. In both for BlockFi and for Celsius, you will be earning interest on the money you deposit and interest on the money you receive in the bonus, as in the BTC. And the final one that's in the link in the description below of the quadruple threat is crypto.com. Guys, when you get or reserve the metalcrypto.com Visa card, which is the Ruby one and up, you will get $25 USD paid in CRO. Guys, you got to check out these bonuses. Lots of fun. Thanks for tuning in.